Uh, Assalamualaikum and hello to our lecturer for ITT 633, Sir Kamarul Arifin. Uh, we are from CS 2455B. We are going to present about phone number and email extraction using Python. Uh, um, I'm Shafiq and my fellow friends are Abang Maizat, Ainin Damia, Isma Hazik, and Nurul Shafika. To kickstart this presentation, I would like to invite Nurul Shafika to start the presentation.
Okay, so firstly, we will talk about the project description. So, phone number and email extraction uh, using Python. The area of study is web automation. And then the reason why we want to do the project is we want to extract phone number and email from a document. And then the problem that we want to the problem that we want to
So,
like the problem you want to avoid is because the user consume more time to search an email and a phone number through a document. And then next, the objective of the project is to extract an email and a phone number from a document file using Python and Atom. And then can copy to clipboard. We also can paste manually into another document. Lastly, extract email and phone number, and the output can be shown in text file. And then the significance and scope is to can organize the data extracted, which is the phone and email, and then we want to save the user's time. The next slide will be presented by Ainin Damia.
Okay, I will explain about technical specification. So in the technical specification, I will explain about the software requirement and hardware requirement. For the software requirement, we need to use operating system. For this project, we use Windows 10. And the second software we use is Atom. Atom is a tool we use to write the code. And lastly is Python. We use the latest versions of Python, which is 3.8. Python is a language that we use for the code. And for the hardware requirement, we use PC. The PC name is ASRock and the CPU is Ryzen 5 and the RAM is 16 GB. Okay, for the test case one is from list docs. So we will extract all the phone number and email from the list docs. So this is the output from the list docs. Next, we will proceed.
all right. I'm going to talk about the second test, which is resume. Basically, we extract the email address and the phone number from the resume. Uh, so this is much ease for the employer to get the phone number and also the email itself. Next, is the third test case, which is paragraph dot docs. Basically, we will extract it from a passage that have email address and phone number. Next, so I will invite Isma to show the program.
Okay. So I will be explaining in detail about three of the cases, which is list document, resume document, and then words. Okay, for the first one, we will run it using email phone extractor.python. Okay, I will replace this with the file name, which is list.document from this one, list.document. Save it and then run it using Shift Control B. So it will extract one by one the phone number and the email address. When we open this one, the file, going to the clipboard, when we copy all of these and then run it with using clipboard.py, it will be copied to clipboard with the data it's shown, and then check it here. It will show it using notepad, which is compiled file.txt. Okay, delete this one first. Then moving on to the second test case, which is the resume. Okay, replace this with resume.document. Run it using Shift Control D, and then you will get the phone number and the email, where you can see it here: phone number and email, phone number and email. Okay, and then you will need to select all of these and then run it using clipboard.py. Then it will be outputted like this: compiled file.txt, where the result is the same as this one. Okay, moving on to the last test case, the word. First, you need to replace this one with words.document. Run it. It will extract every phone number and email from this passage. And then you need to select all of this, going to clipboard. First, you need to delete this one. It will produce this file, compile file.txt, and then the output will be the data that has been extracted. Okay, I will pass my cue to Abang Maizat to explain the conclusion.
Uh, to summarize this project, our objective has been achieved. This project successfully utilized the Python code to extract email and phone number information from a file as an automation project. In conclusion, this email and phone number extractor project is still a prototype and need a lot more of improvement. So there are two strengths and two weaknesses that we have identified. For the strength, the first strength is that it successfully extract email and phone number through a doc file and display it on text file. For the next strength, it saved time as it took several seconds to execute. For the weakness, the first weakness will be duplicate phone number or email need to be removed manually. And the next weakness is that it cannot extract from PDF or image file such as JPEG. In our opinion, this project have a lot more room for improvement since it is still a prototype, and our future recommendation for this project is that we will add a feature where it can extract email and phone number from a variety more of file type, for example, PDF or even JPEG. Next, our future recommendation for this project is that we would want to add features where this feature can automatically remove the duplicate file, duplicate email and phone number, as there will be no more activity that involves manual process, and all of the process will be done automatically. So that's all from our group. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.